Hello guys, welcome again. So today we are going to work with the short vowel sound E. The short vowel sound E. Okay, repeat after me. E. 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 I have a question for you. Tengo una pregunta para ti. What vowel is this? ¿Qué vocal es esta? Okay, very good. Repeat again. E. E. Okay, now we are going to do pronunciation and we are going to see some words with the short vowel E. Vamos a ver unas palabras que están en tu libro de phonics y que va a tener este sonido. Cada palabra que leamos is going to have this sound, E. Okay, so pay attention and practice. Okay, short vowel E. E. In our previous lesson about the alphabet sounds, we learned the sounds. Okay, en nuestra lección anterior vimos el abecedario, el alphabet, y aprendimos los sonidos. Okay, what sound is this? S, s. Repeat after me. S. And what is this? E. S, E, x, s, E, x. What it says. Si uno todos mis sonidos, ¿cómo vamos a leerlo? S, E, x, six, 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 six. Remember, this little symbol, este pequeño símbolo, representa el sonido corto. ¿Ok? S, E, x, s, E, x, six, six. ¿Ok? The second word, the word number 2. What is this sound? Vamos a ver, ahí en casa, ¿cómo es el sonido de la P? Vamos a ver. P, 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 p. Very good. So now we are going to do it in this word. Vamos a hacerlo en esta palabra. P, E, P, E, P, E, pin. P, E, E, pin. Pin. Okay? Very good. Well done. Now, with the third word. The third one. Okay? The number 2. The number 3. Vamos a ver. What sound has this letter? ¿Qué sonido tiene esta letra? Okay? Now we are going to do it with the next letter. E, S. Okay. As you can see this one, I have an S and an H. Estas que están aquí unidas tienen un solo sonido. Vamos a hacer un solo sonido. Y el sonido va a ser sh, 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 f, e, sh, f, e, sh, f, e, sh. Okay? Sh. And then f, e, sh, fish, fish. Okay? That's right. Are you practicing? Okay, very good. So, the number 4, the fourth. Okay? Remember? Eat. 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 Meat. 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 Okay? And the last word, b, 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 e, b, b, e, b, beep, b, e, b, b, e, b, beep, b, e, b. Okay? So, what do you have to do here? We are going to learn adding only the 2 first sounds. Vamos a aprender solo uniendo los primeros dos sonidos. S-I, S-I, S-I. What it says? C. If I add the last sound, X, C, C, S-I, S-I, P-I, 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 F-I, E, B-I. Okay? So, S-I, C, P-I, P, F-I, Fi, I, me, B-I, B. Very good, very good. Now, in your house, you are going to practice to add the third sound. Ahora en casa van a practicar unir el tercer sonido. Dijimos, we say that si, si, x, si, x, si, x, si, x. Okay? That sound. X, 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 si, x, si, x. Okay? The third sound of this word. Okay? P, P, E, P. And I'm going to add the third sound. P, 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 Okay? Very good. Now you are going to do the last three words. Okay? So, now we are going to work and practice the next words. Okay, in here I have all the word from your vocabulary from the phonics book. Okay, so pay attention. The same exercise. E, E, P, E, P, E, P, and this sound. Ok, en this case, en este caso, el sonido de la G es G, G, G. Pero en este caso, la letra G la tengo al final de la palabra. Eso me va a indicar que va a sonar un poquito diferente. P va a sonar como... Ok. Cuando tengamos la letter G, cuando tengamos la letra G al inicio de una palabra, va a sonar como G, G, como en la palabra goat o gift. Pero en este caso que la tengo al final, va a sonar como ¿ok? Be attentive. E, P, P, P. Okay, so what sound has this? Recuerda, la H en inglés suena como la J en español. Así como un respiro. Okay, and then you are going to make that sound. E, O, E, O, heel, 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 E. E, O, okay? Okay, I have an example here from the letter G. En la tercera palabra que te voy a enseñar hoy, y que vas a practicar en casa, mira lo interesante que te estaba diciendo. The letter G at the end is, but the letter G at the beginning of one word is G, 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 okay? Al final suena, al inicio suena G, cuando la tenemos como sonido inicial. Suena G, G, G. ¿Ok? G, I, F, T. G, I, F, T. G, I, F, T. Gift. G, I, G. F, gift. Gift. Okay? Now the next word. Ooh. 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 Okay, put your tongue on the upper side of your teeth. Okay? U, 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 eep. U, eep. U, eep. U, eep. Lee. U, eep. Lee. 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 Eep. Lee. Eep. Eep. Lip. Lip. Eep. Lip. Eep. Lips. 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 Okay? So now do this exercise at home. Vamos a hacer este ejercicio ahí en casa. Vamos a ver qué sonido tiene este. And this. And this. E. E. And this. B. 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 Okay? Now, what word we form? Okay? ¿Qué palabra creamos? Ip. 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 Crib. Crib. Okay? I expect and I hope you practice at home, guys. Okay? Very, very important. You practice the alphabet, the name of the letters of the alphabet, and the sound of the alphabet. It's very, very important. This is the class of Mr. Raul Gutierrez, and I hope we'll stay at school as soon as possible. Okay? Goodbye.